5 things Jesus never said are: be true to yourself, follow your heart, believe in yourself, live your truth, and as long as you are happy. Jesus' teachings often contradict these phrases, emphasizing self-denial, following Him, believing in God, and the importance of truth as found in God and Jesus. Here's a more detailed look. Number 1, be true to yourself. Jesus taught that followers should deny themselves and take up their cross, which is a call to self-sacrifice and obedience to God's will, not individual autonomy. Number 2, follow your heart. While emotions are part of human experience, Jesus' teachings prioritize following Him, His teachings, and God's will over personal desires. Number 3, believe in yourself. Jesus emphasized believing in God and believing in Him rather than placing ultimate trust in one's own abilities. Number 4, live your truth. Jesus presented Himself as the way, the truth, and the life, implying that true life is found through Him and His teachings, not individual interpretations of truth. And lastly, number 5, as long as you are happy. Jesus did not teach that happiness is the ultimate goal. He emphasized the importance of righteousness, serving God, and loving others, even if it meant experiencing hardship or sacrifice. Amen.